Hello, my name is Suleiman. I'm a student of Creative Computing Group 1, Year 1. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain the code behind my university website project. It is made with pure HTML and CSS, no JavaScript, no backend stuff. I'll go through each file and talk about how it works. Okay, so starting with the home page, which I named it as like About Us. Home page, okay. But the home page I use an index HTML. Yeah, here it is. For the index I use an index HTML. The top part of the code sets up the document type, language, and includes a link to the Google Fonts. Then I added a meta tag for the characteristic set and a viewpoint setting so the site works properly on different screen and sizes. After that, I linked a CSS file called style.css with it. In the body of the home page, I created a navigation section using the link that points to the other HTML files like About Us, Courses, and Apply. These are the basics anchor tags, and they let users move around the site. Under that, I added a heading and properly a welcome message inside the div section. Each of these elements is styled in the CSS file using class names. Then in the About Us HTML file, it has the same structure, docs type at the top, head section, with a separate CSS file called aboutus.css, which is here. And the body contains the heading and paragraph that describe the university, again layout and color handled in the CSS. For example, I may have set like a specific color for the background of this page. It differences from the other home page and may just make it to feel like different from the others. Then the courses HTML page is where I listed academics programs. In the HTML, I use the heading of the courses categories and either the list or just plain paragraphs to show each course name. The course CSS file, which is here, course.css file, probably has a styling or a text alignment, maybe a grid or like flex block layout to give the everything neat. Now let's come to the campus.html page. Okay, so the campus.html page includes a video in the HTML. I used the video tag to set the source to the MP4 file, including in the project. I also added controls so users can play then post the video in the CSS file for this page called campus.css. I probably centered like the video and adjusted the size to fit on the desktop and the mobile phones. Then apply HTML. Okay, so for the apply HTML, there is a form or some instructions on how to apply the structure users for the element, like the input fees and the button, like if needed. Even though there's no backend, I set it up so it could like easily be connected to the database or the script later. The CSS again handling spacing, padding, and font styling for all the form of elements. In the end, let's come to like the CSS style sheet. Okay. In this, all the CSS files are inside like folder called CSS style sheets. Each HTML page links to its own CSS file, so I can control the style of those CSS files. I use a standard selectors like body, H1, P, and also classes for more specific elements. More styling includes font choices, styling includes font choices, colors, schemes, margins, padding, and layout as well, using either like the blocked or for the flags. So I'll just show this to you. And that was it like for my code, and thank you so much.